Nissan Motorsport is the largest V8 supercar team in this category, running 4 leading Nissan Altimas. Now, V8 supercars is the 4th most watched, 3rd most attended sport in the country, and as we know, has the most passionate and engaged fan base in Australia. The relationship with Icom extends back to 2013, where the team set out on a path to improve the radio communications that we're able to achieve between the team and the cars on the race weekends. Once we started the association, the things that reign true is the parallels between our two businesses in the reliability, the innovation and the high quality product that Icom is able to bring to the team.
The racetrack can be a particularly harsh environment. It's hot, it's noisy, it can be wet, it's dirty. The IP100 system was the perfect fit for us because we need to be able to communicate between the drivers, between all the crew, so everyone knows what they're doing.
Okay guys, time to get ready for some pit stop practice. I'll see you all out in the pit lane. Radio check, Tom, Kurt. Lights good. Same as the first one, boys. Spot on.
The rules dictate in V8 supercars that we must use the traditional RF system between the car and the pits, but what we've been able to do with the IP100 system is integrate a VE-PG3 control unit which links the IP100 system and the traditional radios. So we use the traditional radios to go to the cars, but all the crew and all the engineers in the pits communicate through the IP100 system.
Okay, safety car. Both cars pitting. Car 7 will be first, followed by 15. Both cars pitting for 4 tyres and 3 seconds of fuel.
There's a number of benefits of the IP100 system. We've got a number of units, as you can see here, and it takes a long time to program them all because the frequencies on the traditional system change each week. With the IP100 system, we do it over the air. It's fantastically easy, and we can change it on the run. There's also the duplex functionality. We can have guys talking to each other in a normal conversation, not having to wait for the delays of the standard system. Security is also a big thing. With the IP100 system, we're fully contained, it's all fully secure, so we can have conversations about our strategies, about our race plans, on the grid, in the garage, wherever we want, knowing full well that no one else can hear us.
Car 7's in pit lane for 4 tyres, 2 seconds of fuel.
The IP100 system has been fantastic for us. We're just scratching the surface as to what it's capable of, but at the moment we've got a great system that works really well. All the guys know what they've got to do because they've got clear comms all through the pits.
Go!
We really like this system and we think it's capable of some pretty special things going forward.